Hello everyone, this is the 40 and 80 team project, the infectious disease exposure alerting device. I have a completed breadboard circuit right here to give you a brief walkthrough from it. We have an mbed microprocessor, a Bluetooth friend UART module, a micro LCD display, a speaker with a transistor driver circuit, and an SD card data logger that logs the continuously the data that we desire. We also have three LEDs on here to indicate the functionality that we're trying to present with our coronavirus prevention system as an alert indication. So without further ado, let me jump right into the functionality of our device. So right now, the device hasn't been connected to anything. That's why the screen is black and LEDs are not turned on. There's nothing on the speaker. Um, Due to the limitation of the Bluetooth UART friend module, we are not able to enable the central mode of this device, which enables us to get an active scanning of the devices nearby and also get their RSSI reading through simple AT commands. This requires other modules that supports this feature. Unfortunately, it is not in our lab kit. It will be included in our future work. So as soon as I connect to the Bluetooth device, the device turned on. It says safe right now, but it's taking the average. That's why it is safe. Now, because I'm in this close proximity from the Bluetooth device, we are producing a hazard indicator. The beeper is beeping at a certain frequency, and we're logging the data constantly on the SD card, on the location, potentially the location, and the time of the event created. So to demonstrate the functionality, I'm gonna take my iPhone to a separate room, which is about 6 feet away from this device, and it will take this device into a different state that we programmed. So now the device says safe because I have taken my iPhone into a separate room, but it's a little too far than I expected, so I'm taking it about halfway through the location that I was and the location that I am right now. Now I'm in the halfway point between the previous location and the location that I am right now. The device is giving off a yellow signal, which means it's cautious. It's not hazard. It's not safe. It's somewhere in between. And the beeping frequency has been reduced to about half of what's before. Data is also logged. It's a unique data right now because it's halfway and it's cautious instead of hazard. The LCD screen is printing cautious instead of safe nor hazard. So just do it one more time. Let me bring back my iPhone, and so you will see that it turns hazard. If I disconnect from the device right now, the LCD screen will still say as hazard, but the beeping will be turned off. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope this device can be used for useful applications, potentially in the real world scenario, as we've seen in many of the companies that have taken actions using Bluetooth RSSI functions to track the spread of the coronavirus and contact tracing the history of close proximity contacts between personnel. We've seen that Apple and Google all have been cooperating in integrating such functionalities into consumer electronics, and I hope to see more of that coming. And this is a demonstration of how this can be accomplished using hardware. Thank you very much. I'll see you next semester.